This video explains confidence intervals and how they can help you interpret King County's community health indicators. When we estimate a health statistic, we do not know the true value. So we also generate a confidence interval, which provides a range of where the true value likely falls based on the data for each population group. Confidence intervals can represent various degrees of certainty. For example, a 90% confidence interval means that the true value is somewhere within that range 90% of the time. Hover over the bar to see the tooltip with the estimate and confidence interval. Turn on the toggle to view confidence intervals in the chart. Now you can see the estimate along with the confidence interval range in the chart. In this case, our estimate is 8.4%, and there is a 90% chance that the true value falls within 8.1% to 8.6%. So, how can we compare between two groups to understand if their estimates are truly different? If confidence intervals between two groups do not overlap, this means that there likely is a true difference between groups. For example, we see that confidence intervals for both North and East King County do not overlap with both Seattle and South King County, suggesting that North and East King County are truly different than Seattle and South King County. If confidence intervals do overlap, this means that there likely may not be a true difference between groups. For example, we see that the confidence intervals for North and East King County do overlap, so we can't be sure that they are truly different from each other. Factors like population size can influence the confidence interval range associated with an estimate. Generally, groups with smaller population sizes have wider confidence interval ranges since there is not enough data to determine a more precise estimate. For this reason, we see more instances of overlapping confidence intervals when comparing a smaller group to another group, suggesting that there may not be a true difference between groups. However, there could still be a true difference even though confidence intervals can't confirm it. We need to investigate further to know for sure. So, when interpreting overlapping confidence intervals, it's always a good practice to use caution and consider that there may or may not be a true difference between the groups based on factors like population size. To learn more, visit our homepage at kingcounty.gov/CHI for additional resources or submit questions via the data request form.